Well, it's the time to start our first week's discussion. I wanted to review the questions, but before I do, I wanted to go over a few things to hopefully keep you on track. You should have read the syllabus by now. Also, in the Cyber Cafe under discussion postings are all the expectations for your discussions. And at the bottom, review the schedule. Weeks 1 and 2 are the same, but the other 3 weeks are a little different. This is a 5-week class. We'll be covering a lot of material. It's 3 units like a regular semester class. So we will be covering the same material, but in a much shorter time. I would suggest that you print out a study guide for the midterm. It's in resources. And as we're going through the discussion, you can start focusing on preparing for the exam. Otherwise, it's going to be really overwhelming. You want to use the new topic tab when responding to my questions. All other posts you'll be using the post reply tab. Responses to my questions should be at least 400 words, and your responses to classmates should be at least 125 words. And again, make sure you adhere to the schedule that's posted in the discussion postings submission. And so let me review the questions. We're covering 3 chapters the first week. You have to respond to 2 questions that I've posted. They have to be from different chapters. So we're covering chapters 1, 2, and 3 the first week. And your first option is describe the process by which early Portuguese traders required slaves in West Africa, or compare the experience of the French, Spanish, and English in colonizing the New World. What common perception of the region did they share? Discuss the differences in their relationship with Native Americans. And so these 2 questions are from Chapter 1, and you can only respond to 1 again. And you may be responding to 1 and 2 and 3 and none in 1. It's up to you. For the second question, make sure you address the French, the Spanish, and the English and their experiences coming here, why they came, successes, difficulties, and include their relationship with Native Americans. In Chapter 2, discuss one of the following. Where possible, include such things as government, economy, family, and religion. Your choices are Jamestown, Maryland, Massachusetts Bay Colony, focusing on the Puritans, Pennsylvania, or New Netherlands. This will prepare you for one of the study questions for the midterm exam. And that's from Chapter 2. And then from Chapter 3, your options are, what was mercantilism and how did it shape the economic and political relationship between England and the colonies? Or discuss in some detail the origin and key characteristics of slavery in British North America during the 17th century. So be sure to keep up and let me know if you have any questions.